Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Infinix Smart 6 HD, and now I'll show you how to install protective glass on your device. Firstly, you need to buy a protective glass, of course, then disable your device. So hold down power button, wait a while, and press and hold power button again. Wait a while and cool. Now you need to wrap your screen. I suggest to use just microfiber or paper towel. So just wrap your screen. Then just remove protective foam and just gently install the protective glass on your device. Install the top part of the protective glass. Hold it and release the second part of the protective glass. Then press on the center and wait until glass will be installed. Wait, and cool, excellent. Now we need just to remove the bubbles under our protective glass. So just press on your screen on your protective glass using microfiber or paper towel to remove small bubbles, because if you have a big bubble, you have a dirt under the protective glass, you can't remove this bubble. So I suggest you to buy a new protective glass and try to install it again. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.